Hey guys, it's Lucas, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to empty trash on Android phone. Very simple process, so we'll jump right into it. Okay, so in order to empty the trash on our phone, we need to make sure that we have some kind of app that is able to empty the trash. So there are many ways that you can go about that. You can go into the files in your phone in the settings page. So you can go to your storage and delete things from there. But that can get a little complicated, so we're gonna do something more simple. So for those that have Google Pixel phones, this app will come with it automatically. It's called Files by Google. If you don't have a Pixel phone, like let's say you have another Android phone, such as a Samsung phone, you will need to go to the Play Store and you'll need to type in Files by Google. So go ahead and download that app if you don't have it. Okay, so once you have that installed on your phone, we're going to search for that by swiping up and into our apps, and we're gonna look for files. So there it is. Okay, so in this app, we can see that there's already a button that will say go to trash. So we're gonna hit that button and it's gonna show you all the things that are in our trash. So in order to delete that, we can either hit one by one, hit delete, and you see that a file was deleted, or you can hit multiples at the same time, or you can just hit all items. And once you hit all items, then you go hit delete, and it'll permanently delete everything in the trash bin. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any questions or concerns, let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.